Hi, I'm Troy and I'm a field biologist with the California Sea Grant Russian River Coho Salmon and Steelhead Monitoring Program. And I'm here today in a lower tributary to the Russian River to talk about salmon and steelhead reds. Each winter our crews survey tributary streams just like this one throughout the Russian River to document and observe the number and the location of salmon and steelhead reds. And we actually have a red right here where we're standing. It's essentially a nest in the gravel that the salmon and steelhead build, and it's comprised primarily of two parts. The depression here, which is the pot, and this lump back here, which is the tail. So when a female fish comes to build a red in the stream, she'll pick a nice spot that's typically at a riffle or a shallow section like this, and she'll turn on her side and actually dig out and excavate a small amount of gravel here. And once she's happy with that, she'll actually deposit the eggs into the depression, and a male will fertilize those eggs, and she will continue digging to actually bury those eggs behind her here in the tail part. So the eggs will actually be located in this section here. So every red will actually have the same pot and tail components to it, but the species can actually differ slightly in their construction. So a steelhead generally creates more of a circular, small, nice and tidy red, as opposed to a salmon generally will dig a much bigger red and often have these vertical striations as the female digs forward and moves up into the riffle, as opposed to the steelhead digging in one place and being nice and tidy like that. So if you ever find yourself in a situation when you're out wading, enjoying a nice tributary stream or river like this that might be salmon and steelhead habitat, be aware that reds are typically located at the tailouts of pool units where it shallows out, or in riffles. So if you ever need to cross a stream, it's best practice to go either above or below those areas, just to avoid potentially disturbing those eggs. The reds may or may not be visible after high flow events, after storms, because the gravel will actually get smoothed out. But those eggs are still there incubating in the gravel and are extremely sensitive to disturbance. Well, thank you all for tuning in. If you're interested in our monitoring efforts throughout the Russian River, give this page a follow and maybe check our website if you want to read a more in-depth report. Thank you.